Hey guys, my name's Simon. I'm starting this YouTube channel. I'm going to be documenting the EV conversion of my 1966 Porsche 912. Basically converting it from a gas-powered engine to an electric. Yeah, and I just, before I get started, I want to kind of give you a backstory. I've had this car since the late 90s. It's a great car, and I've got a lot of questions like, why are you converting this car? It's a classic car. To me, it's actually more of an upgrade than a conversion for several reasons. Number one, originally the engine here is a 90 horsepower engine. The acceleration was never that great. So by converting it to electric, I'm actually getting an upgrade. It's going to be a much smoother ride, much better acceleration. And it's also not an irreversible process. So I will be saving the original gas engine, and the electric motor basically hooks into the existing transmission. So if I ever want to convert it back to gas, take out the electrical components, remount the gas engine, and it's back to an original condition. So I want to show you around a little bit about the project. And I'm happy to be here, and hope you can subscribe and follow along. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick tour here. So this is the original engine bay. The engine's been removed already. You can see there's plenty of room here. Transmission's been removed as well. And so I'm going to walk you over here. And so here's my original gas engine. It's in a crate. I'll be storing this. Okay, so here's my original transmission. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit here. It's going to be remounted back into the car. And yeah, so I will be putting on this adapter plate here. And in between you'll have your clutch, your flywheel, and your pressure plate. And on the other side of this adapter plate will be my Netgain Hyper9 motor, electric motor here, and so that just attaches directly into the transmission. I can use the existing gearbox if I want to shift different gears. I don't really need to. I can probably just ride on second or third gear for most of the driving. And then let me show you up here in the trunk space. Did some rust restoration here. I'll show you some videos about what it looked like before, but this is kind of where we're at right now. This is where the gas tank used to be. That's been removed, obviously. That's going to be covered with some steel plating. And here I'm going to be dropping in the electric batteries, and we'll be running high voltage cables back to the motor. And for electric motors, I will be using 5 Tesla Model S battery modules. These are some sample batteries here that we put in a box and put it in the front of the car. So yeah, I hope you come back and follow my channel and watch my journey as I document the conversion of my car from gas to electric. Thanks so much.